Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. It's just a small one thing box right here from one person. The Hems Flipper, I think that's what it said. If that's, I'll have to recheck it again in a minute. This is from Whatnot. Their link will be down below. My link will be also down below, so you can sign up and get yourself a $15 in-app credit. Oh yeah, Whatnot, yeah! Alright, I'll be right back. I'll make sure I got that name right. The Gems and the Hems Flipper. This is where it's boxed from Whatnot. Obviously, you know what's in here, but I'm going to crack it open. I know it's something. You all know me by now. I wear my keys around my neck and still not using the key to open the box. What's in the box? Alright, here we go. I'll use them right here. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. Packaged very nicely. Thank you very much. I enjoyed that. You're going to be added to one of my favorite packing people. Alright, let's see what this is in here. I know it's M2. My favorite to collect are M2s. It's a Chevy. It's a Chevy Camaro. I had to find a way to get that sticker off there. I do not like stickers on here. I'll try to get that off as quickly as I can. It's a Chevy Camaro. 1985 Iroc Z, red and black. That is freaking awesome. I like that. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And please go follow Gems and the Hems Flipper on Whatnot. Their link will be down below, so you can check them out. Alright, have a good day. Peace.